Good day. And what brings you out on this fine day?
I'm just packing for a camping trip.
I see. Well, many dangers await you on your journey. Perilous mountain peaks, whitewater rapids, not to mention charging moose, savage grizzly bears, and ferocious badgers. Oh, not to worry, not to worry. I'm sure you'll fare fine. But tell me, have you considered a life insurance policy from Washington National Insurance Company? Life insurance provides your loved ones with a cash benefit in case you pass away. The money can be used to replace your income, cover living expenses, pay off debts, fund college for your children, and more. You know, if something were to happen to you.
Yeah, it sure would be nice knowing that my wife and kids would be taken care of.
Exactly. Martha wouldn't even let me leave for the revolution without it. Washington National helps over 1 million Americans like you protect the people they care about most through our range of supplemental health and life insurance products. Let us know how we can help you.